Hello, today we're unboxing the model of the Union Pacific Big Boy. This was a train that was used to haul freight across America on the Pacific Railroad. Earlier this year, one of these trains actually restored, the 4014, and when that became operational again, it regained its title as the largest and most powerful steam locomotive in the world. So this model is made by Rivarossi and it is a Class 4000 Big Boy. And this is actually a 60th anniversary special edition of the 4014. This year sees the 150th anniversary since the Pacific Railroad was finished. The 1,912 miles of continuous railway line was built between 1863 and 1869. Without any more talking, let's have a look at the actual train itself. The nickname Big Boy came about because of all the articulated engines. This 4884 was the biggest in terms of size, weight and speed. The name actually came from a message that was found written in chalk on the door of a smoke box, written by a worker on the prototype project. And since then the iconic name has definitely stuck. The train can reach speeds of 18 miles an hour and has over 7,000 horsepower. 2019 also marks 60 years since the Big Boy locomotives first started being removed from the US network. And this model train was released as part of the 60th anniversary celebration. So there is the locomotive out of the box, and this is a really nice looking model. This is one of the largest and most powerful steam trains in the world, and it may look fairly small, but in scale this is actually massive. This whole front section is so delicate looking, it's like I'm very wary of it. I don't want to end up breaking it, but it looks really nice. Like, the detail on this is pretty amazing. The handrails down the side are actually made of steel wire. It has a 5-pole motor and brass flywheel, and also in this limited edition set you also get this plaque as well, which looks really nice, and that's kind of a nice addition to the set, I think. It has a removable coal load, it's a DCC ready 21-pin plug, and it has a total length of 47.5 centimetres, which makes it quite a big train in this scale. And all those features are what makes this model particularly special. So if you want to pick up this amazing model, then it will cost you £384.99. So it is a bit more on the expensive side, but it's probably worth it because it is a really nice model, and it's a special edition train as well. So you can get that from any kind of local railway shop, or you should be able to find it online. And if you like this video, then follow us on Facebook at The Railway Hub, and find us online at www.therailwayhub.co.uk. Thanks for watching.